afternoon to our special guests, Father Elio and Laura Allison, Mrs. Oaten, teachers and students. We warmly welcome you to our special college assembly. Today we take time to think about what wellbeing means and how we bring meaning to our lives through building connections and nourishing our inner self. As you walked in today, we heard the famous song, The Pressure. And for a moment, I ask you to think about pressure. What does pressure mean to you? What does it feel like? How much is too much? Of course, in the wise words of singer Delta Goodrum, pressure makes diamonds. And when you consider how the earth pushing down on rocks over time can actually produce diamonds, you know that on one level she's right. When Delta said this, she was referring to the high-stress environment that a performer feels when they stand in front of an audience to sing. But let's think about pressure for a minute. Not only can it sometimes make diamonds, but pressure can also cause fault lines to split, volcanoes to erupt, bodies of water to turn into tsunamis. We all react to pressure in different ways. Sometimes it makes us, sometimes it breaks us. What bothers me might not bother you. What distresses you might not be felt by me. We're complex individuals with our own elastic resilience, and we feel pressure in our own way. And some of us struggle deeply to rise above this. Today, we take a moment to honour the depth of feelings amongst us. What worries us, what bothers us, what uplifts us, what gives us joy. I would like to thank the performing artists in advance for their assistance in bringing to life this assembly and helping us to give form and motion to the abstract world of emotion and well-being.